Mexico.
We don't even sound excited.
Tired, right?
Nah, for real. I haven't gotten any sleep in like the last, what, 2 days. Okay, I'll show mine. So, it says hashtag TT, Tony Boys, Tulum Takeover. And then on the back, it says Mexico 2021. You wanna go close? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh yeah,
If you sponsor this trip,
I'm screaming.
I'm going to work right now.
you sponsor this
Nah,
trip,
sis.
you don't know that? Yeah. People are there.
But yo, I line and I,
Happy birthday.
bro, I come along you and I fly and I sleep and all kind of thing, cause I do. Come on, get me up on my girl.
Happy birthday.
You sponsor this trip, bro.
Go away.
You
Got
see
Chelsea,
me,
you
baby,
got
Chelsea.
That was so cute. Why he gonna pull up talking about myself? Where we going? Cause where you going? Cause we all going together. Look, you guys, we all got cups. Look, come show your cup.
That's not the champagne
Hurry
papi.
up.
The champagne
This is so
papi.
cute. Look, it says BB and there's
Mario says
a
champagne
little bottle
papi.
in there
For
and a
obvious
bracelet.
reasons.
Let's see yours.
Champagne papi. For obvious reasons.
Who are you?
You understand? So welcome to Feed Vlog. I'm Javon, Brandon, Kiki, and this is our exit. We almost fell. And catch me rolling my luggage. We on vacation mode. Alright? Alright. Say something. Vacation mode?
Yeah, vacation mode with Tony Boy for his birthday.
Because we outside. Sean, you just work hard, but you need a little break, right? Yeah, man. You work hard, you need a little breather, a little vacation. Alright, my first vacation in years. In years.
What all they doing here? What all they doing here, you know? Oh, they're going somewhere, they're going somewhere.
I know.
Yeah,
Yeah, cause he's like, where everybody
I
going?
was confused. I tell I'm driving, I said, like Javon? Time run. What guy was
Aw,
going
such a
to see
birthday
Sean? I
fit.
said, nah.
Very cute.
I see. I was there. I never get surprised in my life, but this was I went back home and I like, how this even happen? And then when she told me, your boss know already. And then I called my boss and she laughed on the phone. I like, everybody and everybody.
how you going time off? I was wondering how you do that. That's nice.
That one is going on in the box.
Yeah.
This
Definitely.
one I can't, this one to my grave.
You're annoying. It's raining. Huh? Yes, they can. When I was in the airport the other time, they heard me this morning. You can't see, I can see her. We went in for the rental car, and it's freaking raining. Like, all the bags are wet.
Movie time.
Okay, sweet.
We're in Mexico.
Hello, Mexico.
That's that jet.
Wait on video? Ah,
It's gonna be dark though, I think.
Yeah, everybody. Yeah, done. Where's the camera?
That's my favorite.
Sean. Now me live is a movie shooting and we sit down quiet inside you know.
Unruly boss at Mexico.
So dark.
I can rock with. Look at my hat, you know. Look at my master.
I mean, but I look dark too, so okay. Look. So hungry.
We in Mexico.
Starved.
We starving. We had 2 hours drive, you know.
Why we didn't get snacks? I'm so hungry.
No, I'm a biscuit. What about that?
In the trunk. Fuck. Oh, I thought Tony would eat it all.
Tacos. Taco. Taco.
Taco?
Tacos. Alright.
Tacos, y'all. So we stopped at the side of the road and we found a taco spot. Hopefully it's good because yo, I'm so hungry. I know I keep saying that, but I'm dead starving. Like they got you want taco?
Oh yeah, taco. Okay. Okay?
Not bad.
What is your thoughts? You think it was good?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Pretty right? What were your thoughts? Is that right?
Alright. You will be getting the original taco straight out of Mexico, right?
Mexico. Say hi. Alright. Gonna be on YouTube.
So whose car is this? You think that's their car? So I got this Coke, right? And it's so damn big. Like look at the bottle. It's huge. And it doesn't taste the same as the Coke that we have in New York. Like it kinda has an aftertaste, like soap a little bit. It's good though, but it tastes different, and I feel like it doesn't have that much, like you know the bubbly with soda. It's not bubbly.
Guys, I appreciate
What's the verdict? Let us see what's in it. Let's see. The one you gave me was good actually. What's this chicken? You put rice and beans and hot sauce and stuff. Can I try? Here, record me trying. It's actually just very appetizing. Yeah. Tastes like ramen. Alright, recording me. The other one was good. This one's nasty. This is so nasty. Oh my god. It tastes like Tulum, right? Like, you know when you throw up, you got that taste in your mouth?